This question takes into account a combination of AER, so interest rates on savings, as well as exchange rates. So let's have a look at it. Sally is planning a holiday in Canada. On 1st of May 2020, Sally invested £2,000 in this savings account. We can see the savings account is a high interest saver. Invest at least £1,000, while Sally's invested £2,000, and you get 1.5% compound interest per year. So, on 1st of May 2023, she closed the account and used all the money to buy Canadian dollars. The exchange rate at that point was £1 will give you 1.68 Canadian dollars. The question asks, did Sally get more than 3,500 Canadian dollars? You must show you're working. A question like this was worth 4 marks. So let's start off. She invested £2,000 and she got 3 years worth of interest at 1.5%. The way we can calculate essentially how much interest she got, we do 2,000 times 1.015, and that is per year. And because she's invested for 3 years, we'll do that to the power of 3. If we put that into our calculator, we'll get £2,091.35675. Now, of course, because we get 1.68 Canadian dollars to every single pound, we can take our answer of £2,091 and 0.35675 times that by 1.68, and what we get in Canadian dollars, so in Canadian dollars, we're going to get 3,513.48. Therefore, is it over 3,500? Yes, it is. So, as long as we show our workings, write yes, we can get all 4 marks. And if we turn over to the next page, the next question asks us, during the holiday, Sally bought a handbag for 190 Canadian dollars. She paid with her bank debit card. Now the bank added a fee of 2.5% of the cost of the handbag. Used an exchange rate of £1 to 1.75 Canadian dollars. We've got to work out the total amount in pounds that Sally had to pay. Remember, she bought the bag for 190 Canadian dollars and the bank charged a fee of 2.5%. So before we calculate the exchange rate, we have to take into account that 2.5%. So we'll do $190 times 1.025, and that'll get us the actual amount in dollars that Sally had to pay. And then we take our dollar amount, 194.75. We're going to divide it by 1.75. Now remember, that is the exchange rate of £1 to 1.75 Canadian dollars. So this will bring us back to pounds, and that will give us in pounds £111 and 29 pence. So the answer would be £111 and 29 pence she'd have to pay for that handbag.